In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up a project, create and organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and track progress with confidence. Start on your desktop by logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose the workspace where this project belongs. Keeping projects in the right workspace helps your team find what they need without digging around. Next, click Create Project under your workspace. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so everyone immediately understands its purpose. You'll be asked to choose a layout, list or board. List view is great for linear task lists and detailed tracking, while board view visualizes work as cards moving through stages. Pick the one that matches your team's style, then click Create Project. You can always adjust the structure as your needs evolve. Inside your new project, click Add Task to start building your plan. Type a concise task name and press Enter to add it. Keep names action-oriented so it's obvious what needs to be done. For each task, assign an owner by clicking the Assignee field and selecting the appropriate teammate. Clear ownership prevents confusion and keeps work moving. Set a due date by clicking the calendar icon and choosing when the task should be completed. Due dates create momentum and help prioritize. If your workflow uses priority or status, set those fields accordingly so your team knows what's urgent and what's in progress. To keep everything organized, use sections in List View or columns in Board View to represent stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Drag tasks between stages as they advance. If a task is complex, click Add subtasks to break it into smaller, actionable steps. Subtasks are perfect for checklists, reviews, or multi-part work. For deeper tracking, click Customize at the top right. Add custom fields such as hours spent, priority, or task progress to capture the data that matters to your team. Custom fields make reporting clearer and help you spot trends across the project. As work unfolds, the sidebar becomes your command center. Use Inbox to see updates and comments so you never miss a change. Explore insights and reporting to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. These views turn activity into visibility and help you course correct early. Finally, invite your team to collaborate by clicking Invite Team Members under your workspace. Make sure they have the right access, then encourage them to assign tasks, update statuses, and share context in task comments. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.